how to be an influencer and grow. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Only Me, and if you didn't know it's only me, now you know. And today oh yeah, so if you're new here, it's your girl Only Me Chyna. Please subscribe and join the family. Today we're going to be actually talking about how to become an influencer on Instagram, YouTube, or whatever platform that you want to be on. How to become an influencer in general, because I am one myself. So, and people always asking me, how do you work with them? How do you work with different brands and stuff like that? So I just thought I would make a little video. This video will not be that long. It's just very simple and easy ways to get yourself out there, okay? So please make sure you like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my channel before watching any more of this video. But let's get into the first thing. So first, you have to have confidence in yourself. So what I'm saying is, if you feel like you don't have what it takes to become one, then don't try to force yourself. So like, just make sure you have the confidence. You don't have to be, all the way like on 10 on confidence, but just make sure you know your worth and stuff like this, and that you know that you can be one, and you will look good in front of somebody's brand and stuff like that. That's just how you gotta think, and when you think it, you are like, you're gonna do good. So I just feel like you should have confidence first, for you to actually put yourself out there on social media and everything else. You can't be scary and like try to do it at the same time. It just don't make sense, okay? It doesn't work. Y'all see what I'm saying? So the second thing is, what do you want to influence? And when I say this, do you want to be a fashion influencer? Do you want to be a food influencer? A hair influencer? Like, it's just so many things that you can influence. When I say food, if you want to do food, you post about food, you try different foods, you do all this. Fashion influencer, you dress up, post clothes, and do all that. So you just gotta find your niche and what you want to do, and then you good. Then the next thing is, where do you want to be an influencer at? Where do you want people to see your content at? Whether that's Instagram or YouTube is mostly the top ones. I mean, Twitter, yeah, I feel like Instagram is, and I'm gonna say Snapchat, Instagram and YouTube are the top main ones where people can actually see you for real. Once you find out where you want to do influence, or you can do both of them really, because I just started YouTube actually taking it serious last year maybe. So I was a big influencer on Instagram. As y'all can see, if y'all follow my page, y'all know I am. I have a lot of followers on there right now, and so that's where I started off at, as doing it on Instagram. The next thing I can tell you is, once you figure out where you want to post that and where do you want to be an influencer on and show, you have to post consistently. So let's say you do fashion, you dress up. Like, if you dress up from time to time or all the time, make sure you get some good pictures. Go to like nice little areas, get a cute background and stuff like this, and just snap it up and take pictures. And like, I know some people who actually like, they plan out their days of like they're taking pictures and everything else. I'm a little slow. I mean, I'll be posting pictures every now and then, but back then when I really had all my followers and they came to me, because I was posting all the time, taking pictures all the time. But that's back then. Right now, I still posting. So I'm gonna drop a video. I mean, I'm actually gonna post a picture of this outfit. Make sure y'all go check that out on my Instagram page. But so you have to create consistent content. So whether that's doing whatever, you don't have to like, I mean, that's on your page. So like, if you're on Instagram, yes, your feed needs to be appealing to brands or appealing to anybody want to work with you. Just don't have, I mean, like, have like a set feed that you want to go with, because mine, it looks all like, it looks really all the same, like it really all goes together. As you can see, I'm gonna insert a little screen recording of my page. So yeah, like just make it look nice and stuff like that. You have to be consistent. So then that goes back on YouTube. If you want to be a YouTuber, you have to post consistent, and you know YouTube is harder than Instagram, so you have to post consistently with that, so that people can see you, you know, they see that you're good in front of the camera and everything else. And yeah, that's that. So the next thing is that you need to know, once you work with your first brand, you will have little companies, I won't say little, but you will have business companies to reach out to you. Like after you do that first one, you will see probably more people reaching out to you, because I know all the time, that's still to this day, anything that I post that I'm working with a brand and I use on Instagram, if I use hashtags, and YouTube as well, if I use hashtags, anything they see, anything related to something similar that they got as their brand, they're going to reach out to you and ask, can you work, and can they work with them. So once you know, get out there, and like after you keep, like if they see you like really promoting people's businesses, they're gonna like that. They're gonna contact you and ask you, can you promote their brand. So that's how you keep going. You just keep promoting and working with other people's brands. For real, do not mess up the first time that you do it, because you gonna miss out on opportunities. You know, just really take it. Don't, like, if they people, because most companies send you stuff for free, right? So do not take it. Like, do not take it and don't post, don't do none of it. That's how most of these brands mess up now. And you know, I know it's a lot, like when you get big, I know it's a lot to handle. Everybody wants you to promote stuff, so I get if you like mess up, because I have did that. No, I'm not gonna even like lie, I have forgot to post somebody things, and they have to keep asking me over and over, just because I be forgetting and stuff like that. And sometimes, like when I accept it, like they be wanting, some brands be wanting you to post like right then and there. I get something, they be like, okay, can you post within the next 2 days and stuff like that. And when somebody send me clothes, I will like really want to dress up with the clothes. Like I like to like put on the fit. I like to put on the fit. Y'all see what I'm saying? I like to put on the fit. So I just don't like throwing on stuff and taking pictures in the house. Like I would not like the picture at all. It would not stay on my page. I'm just keeping it real. So I will like try to tell them I'm going to, like, you know, dress up and stuff like that. And some of them, you know, they be okay with it or stuff like that. Like I'll post it on my story that I got it and stuff and promote then. Until then, yeah, I just wait, because I'm like, I mean, yeah, I have my own business myself, so I can see why they will hurry up. They really want you to post, you know, in time, so I can see that. But so like when I say, so once you work with that brand, your first brand, or like any brands after that, and they see that you are true, that you keep your word, that you're gonna post about it and do what you do, other companies are gonna keep coming at you. You know, they're gonna throw left and right. You're gonna keep getting companies emailing you and all that stuff. So when you're on Instagram, you can use hashtags, like anything that you're promoting, you can use hashtags, anything to like get people to come to your page and see you more. That's it. All you gotta do, yeah, you just use tags. There it goes from YouTube too. Use tags, use the best title and everything else to grab everybody's attention. So like that's basically it. That's all you have to do, is make sure that you're willing to do it, and just put yourself out there. Just take pictures, make great content, you know, build up first. If you haven't started already, build up first, and it's gonna come to you. You know, just keep being consistent and stuff like that. Or you can also reach out to brands if you want to. I have did this before. You can reach out to brands yourself. They might say no at first, because, you know, most brands that really want to work with you, they're gonna reach out to you. But you can reach out to them. You know, they might be surprised that you, like, you know, at your following or whatever else they might, you know, interest them. So you can always reach out to them though if you want to. You know, just starting out, I feel like, yes, you can contact brands and stuff like that. But so if you are an influencer right now, you know, I feel like it's best that you can also make a media kit. A media kit, they have different templates on ones that you can look up. It's basically like you tell about yourself, and you put your prices for Instagram or whatever that you promote on, or be an influencer for. You put your prices on there and you send it to the brand and let them know how you work. So I recently just made mine because I love, like, I don't charge people when it comes to, when they send me things. I didn't charge people at all, but now it's 2021. I'm getting paid for everything I do. So whether that's a video or post or everything, I'm still need to get paid, because I'm going to bring customers to your page and then you're going to profit from that. You see that? So my price is not that high for right now, because my that would never be like over the top unless I just skyrocket and like, unless I just like blow up. But yeah, my prices are decent. So please, you know, if you do end up charging, don't charge when you first start off, of course, but like once you get there and you know that you in the middle or something. Because on Instagram I have 38,000 followers, and on YouTube that I just started last year, I'm finna have 2,000 followers. So I'm starting to, you know, charge my prices now. So most companies, when you do that, they're not gonna respond to you. They're not gonna want to work, because they feel like, you know, they're giving you free stuff and everything else. I mean, yes, of course, but like, you still have to take the time out your day to make the video, get pictures ready for, you know, the best content. So like, I feel like you should still be getting paid for stuff like that. Like, I'm still sending people your way to buy whatever product it is that you want me to promote. So what's that? I mean, like, some brands will do it, some brands will not, and then you just move on. You know, don't go back on your word, just stay with it. Like, if you know that it's time for you to start getting paid for your work, then yes, let it be known in the post, okay? But that is all I really have for this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to DM me on Instagram or contact me. I have my information in the description, all my socials and stuff. But yeah, this is it on how to become an influencer. It's real, I won't say easy, but it takes time, but the steps are really not that hard, you know. Yeah, so I hope this video helps a lot of you. Please hit that subscribe button and the like button and the share button, and I will see y'all on the next video.